Did you do it here? It's June 22nd. I'm about ready to put up a wall. Oh boy, it was too cheap to get regular 2x4s. Wanted to get the pre-cut, so I had to double up the plates. So I kind of did the bottom plate with the spliced material. And then I'm going to do the other two plates with the full-length material. Here's what I did. I want to show you. This will help out. I removed a little bit of material. This is the top plate. It's going to be going up against the ceiling, and I removed just a little bit of material to give myself some wiggle room there. Preset all my nails till they broke the skin, just barely broke the skin on the other side, because I want the first drive to mean business. I got these nails here set on the inside, so I'm beating over my head. I don't want to work too hard. Those are all through the other side. And should go without a problem. All kinds of angles. Cheap wood, a lot of knots. Oh boy, this was wonderful. Knotty ass end there, but it will work with it. Also, got my little table set up over here. Got that cord out of the way. Clean area. Other than that bullshit. Save yourself some money. Do it yourself, really. It's not that hard. Everything's square. Except when they buy cheap material. Did you do it?